Good evening, everyone. Hope you people like my ideas. Today, in my video, you can get fall autumn nail ideas. Top autumn nail trends we are loving right now. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. I think we will see trends moving towards the modern tones and incorporating an accent of these colors, whether all over, as a French tip or nail art, says Harriet. We are seeing lots of the colors of nature for autumn winter, the deep red, taupes, browns, blacks, and dark blues. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Classic red is given an autumnal makeover with hints of earthy brown and orange, making it ideal for the month of October and autumn. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. The colors that are typically associated with fall are earth tones such as brown, orange, and yellow. These colors are often seen in leaves as they change color in the fall autumn. You can also find these colors in clothing and accessories for both men and women. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. If you don't know how to wear white nail polish, don't fret, it's actually the easiest color to pair. White nails truly go with everything and make any color pop. If you are silently questioning, does white nail polish look good? The answer is yes. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Also, give your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you like most. Hope you people enjoys different ideas from my video. The best way to look rich is to go for a bold or vibrant color like red.